Hey y'all, just leaning on my air fryer. So I'm excited to be in the keto kitchen tonight because I don't know how you don't know about this, but it's been circulating on TikTok and Instagram. It is that baked feta and tomato zhuzh. You can add pasta or not, but I am going to be making that tonight. It's probably one of the easiest recipes I've seen in a minute. Of course, I'm starving while I'm making it. And so I'm just gonna make it with y'all. I have purchased everything: tomatoes, feta, lots of seasonings. Y'all know I do not play when it comes to seasonings. Season your food. Season your food. When you think it's seasoned, season some more. So we're gonna be making that tonight. I am using, this is my pasta for tonight. This is palmini pasta. It's hearts of palm and it's linguine. So it's shaped like linguine to give you like you're eating linguine, but it's very healthy. It is 2 net carbs per serving. It is a vegetable. Pretty sure hearts of palm is a vegetable. So I'm gonna be using this tonight. I debated on if I was gonna use shrimp or a protein. Probably not, because I don't feel like cooking anything else. It's just a 1-pan meal. So let's get going. Let's make this. And because once again, what am I always? Hungry. So let's get it. Yay. Okay, so we're gonna start with first the tomatoes, which I have washed already. So we're gonna pour them into the pan, and that's it. It's just me, y'all. So like I said, I did not over purchase anything. I'm going to take some olive oil. I have the spray olive oil. So we're gonna just spray it all over the tomatoes. A lot. Yep, we're gonna do a lot. Yes, we are. So now comes the seasonings. So I season. When I say I season. So I'm using this pasta herb spice blend. Actually, you can get these, and I'm gonna show the seasonings when I finish and put everything in the oven. I got this from Ross, and I learned about these from Chef Raisha. I'm gonna add some herbs de Provence. Okay, we're gonna add some garlic salt. Not a lot, but just enough. Garlic powder. We're gonna do some oregano. And we're gonna do a little bit of salt. Just enough since we already added the garlic salt. And then we're gonna add some black pepper. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. And then I'm gonna add I'm gonna do this much garlic. That's it. That's all the garlic I'm gonna need. A little bit more. A tad bit more. I mean, it's garlic, y'all. Who doesn't like garlic? So that's it. And also, I'm gonna add this artichoke lemon pesto. I got this from, what is it? What is this place called? It has like all the good candies. I got it from World Market. Just this much. What it is, like I said, it's an artichoke lemon pesto. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and mix this up. Make sure every tomato is loved and covered and delicious and just seasoned up. No tomato uncovered. That was corny, right? I know. Okay. Ooh, if y'all could smell it. It smells like Italia in this kitchen. Okay. So it looks like they're all mixed together. Like when it goes into the oven, it's just gonna be delicious. So now it's like make a little pocket for the feta. Okay, so let me get the feta. I've opened it up already. We just put the feta right in the middle. It's just a big block of feta. So we're gonna put this in the oven. Let me move the tomatoes a little bit closer. Love each other, hug each other. Put this in the oven, 400 degrees for, I believe, 30 minutes. And once that's done, I'll be right back with y'all. Y'all know I will, because this is, I'm excited. Too easy. So like I promised, I was gonna show y'all the seasonings that I used tonight for this baked tomato and feta dish. Some of the regulars, I used herbs de Provence. Chef Raisha put me on. I used garlic salt, just regular garlic salt. This is the spray can of the olive oil. I love it because it's just easy. Garlic, any kind. This is the artichoke lemon pesto. Fire, delicious. These are the seasonings that Chef Raisha put me on as well. They have a lot of varieties, multiple varieties. This is the pasta herb spice blend. And then this is the salt that I use. A lot of people in the keto community use this salt. So this is the one that I use. I don't use Morton's. And garlic powder, oregano, and black pepper. And once again, this is the pasta that I'm gonna use tonight to mix together with the baked feta and tomato. I got this from my local Kroger. You can order it online as well. I'm so excited, you guys. Look how pretty it is. This is fresh out of the oven, 400 degrees, 30 minutes. Some did 35, I did 30. So I'm gonna take this little meat grinder thing. You see it? I use it to grind my meat. Pause. I'm childish. And I'm just gonna go ahead and break it up. And you can see the tomatoes bursting. Break up the cheese. The juice from the tomatoes is really going to mesh everything together. This pan is hot, y'all. It is hot. Hot, daddy, hot, hot. Okay, come on, creamy deliciousness. And then I'm gonna put all those seasonings that I put in. Everything is just, look at the smoke. I know y'all see this steam. Oh my gosh. Talk about piping hot. Okay, so everything is all mixed together. Honestly, I've heard some people put this on top of like a steak or some chicken, or even use it as a dip with like some toasted ciabatta or some French bread. I don't blame them, because this is everything. Okay, all mixed up. Now, let me get the noodles, the palmini fettuccine noodles. Okay, so I have thoroughly rinsed and gotten all the water out of the palmini linguine hearts of palm. So I'm just gonna pour it in there, the whole bag. There we go. See what it looks like? It looks like strings of fettuccine. I'm just gonna mix it together. Y'all, I just got excited. Y'all see I got my wooden spoon? Y'all see? I feel so authentic and culinary-like when I use wooden kitchen utensils. I am corny, y'all. Oh, y'all. Oh, y'all. So feta this is just something that I thought about. Feta can be on the salty side. So as I put this in the oven, I was like, oh my gosh, I hope with all of the seasonings that I used and the salty feta that it's not overly salty, but no ma'am, no sir. I tasted this on the grinder spoon I used to mix the feta and tomatoes. It is perfect. It is perfect. It is perfect. Look at that. And it's not too soupy. I made sure to really drain the palmini noodles. This is ready to eat. Do you hear me? Do y'all hear me? Come on, feta and tomatoes and TikTok. So I had to come sit down so I can enjoy this meal. I have my Roma. This is my Spaniard red wine. I got it from Total Wine. My friend at Total Wine, he recommended this to me. Delicious. In my wine o'clock glass cup, keeps it chilled. And then my food. So the palmini does twirl like pasta, as you can see. So let's take this first bite. Yeah. The first thing I taste is the tomatoes with the bright lemon from the artichoke lemon pasta. Yeah, it's legit. This is good and it's creamy. Oh yes, and you don't need a lot because it's rich. That was a big bite. Big bite. This is good. Y'all make this. I got my wine, my Italian meal here. I'm good to go. I hope that y'all liked this video because I like this food. Delicious. Y'all do not forget to like, subscribe, follow, share, tell people about me. I appreciate the love, but y'all already knew that. So anyways, go to bed, go do something. I'm finished here because I'm about to finish this food. I sure am. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.